Hi everybody, I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. Today I'm going to show you the new Sprinter 32 FWBH floor plan. So a couple changes with Sprinter this year. They got rid of the Campfire Edition series and now they just have Sprinter. And then of course they have the bigger Sprinter Limiteds, which they still had last year. But basically the Campfire Edition was getting a lot of upgrades that didn't really make sense to call it that anymore. So it's just the full line Sprinter now. We'll go over some of those differences when we get inside. There's a couple new things on the outside as well. You'll probably notice right away if you've been looking at Sprinter for a while. Totally new look for the outside. We happen to be right next to one from last year, so you can see right next to us the gray exterior. It's a much different look this year. Really brighten up the unit. A little bit easier to match with your vehicle. Up at the front, you still have the patented Key Shield technology. So this is a painted fiberglass front cap. So that'll never fade on you. It'll always look nice and crisp. Road Armor pin box. This is a nice upgrade, especially at this price point. There's definitely fifth wheels at a higher price point that don't have this. So Road Armor pin box, what it can do is basically this head here can pivot a little bit more, so it's got a little bit more play than your standard pin box, make towing a little bit smoother. And you can see the nice kind of mirror decal there as well to help you hitch up. Okay, so you got your front cargo and your main pass-through storage. So nice and big. Slam latch doors with magnets. Really handy. You got your quad solid stance steps, so that's really nice. The reason I say quad is because a lot of them are triple, especially at this price point. So really easy to get in, especially if you got little kids coming with you. Nice big power awning, but then you got your beautiful outside kitchen. This is a must-have for a lot of people. You got nice big backlit cabinets. You got the tall fridge. You got the pull-out stove. This is all metal here, so you don't have to worry about this, you know, getting grease on it or anything like that, or spilling something and it wearing out the wood and causing it to split or whatever. There's also water right around the corner as well. So it comes with a 14-foot hose. Then you have water, cooking, and a refrigerator all at your outside kitchen. There is backup camera prep on these guys as well. It's a big trailer. The Sprinters are 100-inch wide body, so even if you towed before, this might seem a little bit bigger than something you've had in the past, and that can definitely help with that. All Keystone stuff, and Sprinter's been doing it even longer than the rest, but use the cable slide mechanism. So you'll notice with this slide out, there isn't a big track underneath like the old rack and pinion system. It's got 4 of these steel cables in all 4 corners, uses a series of pulleys on the inside to pull the slide in and out. Really strong system. You and I can push on this all day and it's not going to move or flex, whereas like a rack and pinion system, the teeth can move and fluctuate on you. Let's head inside and check it out. All right, welcome inside. So nice opposing slides in your kind of kitchen area here. So you got the big peninsula island, okay? Pantry area, solid surface countertops. So that was new for this floor plan this year. Big stainless steel sink. Lots of cabinet space above, nice and deep. Over here, they upgraded the oven this year to this larger Greystone oven from the little Furion oven. It's a little bit taller. Removable shelves, lots of drawers, cabinet. You got the 8 cubic foot fridge, so taller than your standard 6. Plus you got the big fridge outside, so it's lots of fridge space in this trailer. Then you got your super slide. So nice big 4 windows, all facing your campsite. So you can keep an eye on your kids that are outside playing, and you got a nice view of your own lot rather than looking over at your neighbors. Booth dinette, this will transform into a bed if you need, and then a tri-fold sofa as well. So that folds out and then it's right across from your entertainment here. You can really only pull this floor plan off with something like a Sprinter in the 100-inch wide body. So because of that extra 4 inches in the body and then putting the deep slide here, there's actually a ton of space here. First looking at this floor plan, especially the little blueprint of it, might seem a bit tight, but there's a ton of space here, just to give you an idea. They have moved to this woven carpet flooring as well, so away from like the high pile carpet that they've had before. Super easy to clean. You can wipe that clean, sweep it, whatever you want it to do. Sorry, that takes you back to the entertainment. So right across from your flat screen TV, you got the Bluetooth soundbar and then your 36-inch fireplace. So nice big fireplace. It is electric heat, so turn that on, it gets hot right away. You can set the color to whatever you want, have a nice little ambience. And then just a couple cabinets for, you know, movies and games, whatever you want. We'll head into the bunk room. So this is a pretty awesome bunk room, and I say that because not only is it big, tons of space in here, there's a spot for entertainment if the kids wanted to set up with a TV. It does come with a ladder that latches onto the top bunk as well. There's a bit of closet space here. Nice oversized bunk. You got a window, and then over here you have a futon style jackknife sofa. It's got drawers underneath and then another bunk above. So you could sleep 3 to 4 kids in here, no problem. And then I'll just kind of switch sides with you. There is a fan up there as well to give them some nice ventilation. But over here, you have their own half bath. Okay, so the kids aren't constantly running upstairs to use the washroom, or if they got to get up at night, they don't have to, again, run upstairs, or you know, if you want them using different facilities than your own, they don't have to go outside the trailer. So they have their own vanity, medicine cabinet, everything you need. Let's head upstairs. All right, before we get too far here, you have your whole control panel nicely hidden behind this frosted glass here. So that stays kind of out of sight. And then you have your own touchscreen remote, as every Sprinter comes with. This can control your outside lights, your power awning, your stabilizer jacks, and your slide outs. It's pretty awesome. We'll head upstairs. So nice big washroom. Again, that 100-inch wide body's coming into play in here. So there's tons of space. You got the radius shower. Okay. So lots of room, antifreeze everywhere. We are winterized being in Canada, but you got the skylight above, and then your fan, linen closet, and then of course your vanity. And then this leads into your master bedroom for kind of an ensuite type feel. So nice walk around full-size queen bed. Okay, so 60 by 80 inches. You got big windows on either side and nice big closets on either side as well. Actually big enough to hang something. And then tons of cabinet space up here as well for all your stuff. Optional second air conditioner in this one. So we bring that in. It can get hot here in the summertime. And of course, if you're gonna travel, down to the States or in BC, we like to have that. There is backing plate here if you wanted to put a little TV. You just have to, watch your angle and everything, but there is a backing plate there for it and hookups. That about does it for the Keystone Sprinter 32 FWBH. I'm Mike from Untitled Trailer, and I'll catch you next time.